Hello and good afternoon. We are going to eat somewhere nice. Let's check it out. We have a few options here. One is Al-Hajj, Bundoo Khans and Chinese Koan. And there is famous kebab paratha and chicken tikka. Al-Hajj, Bundoo Khans. Going inside. Yeah, it's on already. Assalamualaikum, bro. Good. Yeah, this is a good place for us. So there's a nice place even inside, but we chose to stay outside because there's a lot of families inside. You want? Superb hungry. Smells good, right? Do you smell a kebab? भाई कैसे अस्सलाम वालेकुम आपका नाम भाई अमर अब्बास भाई यहाँ पे क्या अच्छा मिलेगा यार आप हम फर्स्ट टाइम आए खाने के लिए
सर हमारे पास बारबेक्यू है स्पेशल
बारबेक्यू के बारबेक्यू करते भाई कौन सा बारबेक्यू है यहाँ से
सर आपको ये प्लेटर ये 2%
ओके परफेक्ट कौन सा वाला
ये
ओके इसमें से मैं चूज़ करूँ अभी कौन सा सीख कबाब चिकन सीख कबाब विच वन डू यू लाइक
ये आप अगर
हाँ ओके डायरेक्टली है ओके हाँ अरे परफेक्ट भाई
सर इसमें आप नान लेंगे पराठा लेंगे
naan, I think so. It will be better. Garlic naan?
Naan.
इसमें प्लेन नान
Plain naan.
Plain naan. So which one is good?
Yeah, we'll go for naan.
One naan, one paratha.
एक नान एक पराठा.
चिकन बीफ मिक्स है ओके
Okay, yeah, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, looks amazing. The menu looks awesome. 65 dirhams for 2 person. We're gonna try it out. We'll show you when the food arrives here. Thank you very much, brother. So we got some salad, nicely wrapped. Looks fresh.
What is this tamarind?
I think so. I think that's a sauce where you can dip.
This is like pani puri.
Pani puri. Ooh. Yeah. It's a jaljeera. The cumin seeds flavored water. I smell our platter. I'm super hungry. So this, what we just drank was the pani puri water. Oh wow, our food is here. Thank you very much, brother. Ooh. Special platter.
We have two drinks inside the meal. We have two drinks.
What is that?
Coke, Sprite, Fanta, and you can taste the water.
Lemon.
Fanta, Sprite,
Fanta, orange.
basically a cold drink.
I don't want Sprite left.
एक ही चल जाएगा. One is एक ही चलेगा. बस हो गया.
Two is fine.
Two है. Okay. First bring one only, then we'll take
No, one
it.
comes up.
All right. Wow, man, this looks amazing. This is their paratha. Paratha looks like a big puri. Look at it. It's so crispy and it's so nice. I'm super hungry already. Look at the kebab, man. Sir, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है सब खाना. Thank you. इंशाल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह करके खाएंगे. Wow, awesome. Let's eat. Let's get right into it. Let's jump right into it. Let's start. Bismillah. So this is naan. We're gonna start first with naan. Okay, which one you want to go first, Lami? Okay, you try that. I think that is chicken, this is beef, and this is chicken. Okay, Bismillah. It's awesome, man. It's amazing. You know, this cost us 65 dirhams, all of it, and it's completely worth it. For 2 person, it's sufficient enough to eat, and it's just amazing. Egg number.
This is good.
I'm gonna try the second one also now. At the end, it was all worth wait. We had to wait 15 minutes, and we were super hungry, and we're glad that we came to the right place. Right? So we are in the Pakistani restaurant. This restaurant has been serving the whole nation since 1948. That's the tagline. When you dip it in this, it's very nice. Awesome. Doesn't give you that tangy taste, right? When you just drink normally. Yeah, that is awesome. I'm gonna try one. So this is malai tikka. Check it out. Malai tikka in paratha. Wrap it up. Dip it in. Awesome.
It's good with onion, always.
It's amazing, man. Wow, the restaurant name is Bundoo Khans, and if you are in Dubai, must try. Now I'm gonna try puri. Not puri, sorry. We call it paratha here. We call it puri in India. It's exactly like puri, but it's very big. Look at the size of this puri. Very big. Let's see how it tastes. Let's taste the puri and see. So far I've tried the kebab, I've tried the chicken tikka. I think this is in the red spicy sauce, the malai tikka, and now I think I'm gonna jump in. This is a mutton. This is not a chicken, this is mutton, I think. So the mutton.
This is the mutton.
Yeah, this is mutton. So I'm gonna try mutton. This looks
So
like
there's
in a
mutton,
barbecue
beef
sauce.
and chicken.
Yeah, this is beef, this is chicken, and this is mutton. So I'm gonna try the last one and see what's the taste
But
of.
the best one I like is this one and this one.
All of it is amazing. But yes, if I have to rate from these four, which one's the best? This wins, definitely.
Yeah.
It's a winner. So soft, so amazing. Check it out.
Tasty.
Which bread do you like more? The paratha or the naan?
Paratha is also giving some different taste, and naan also is giving some different taste. What a nice.
I think the puri is giving a little bit more of, not puri, sorry, paratha. It's giving a little bit of raw taste. Like I don't taste more of the bread, I taste more of this thing. Wherein if I'm eating this naan, this is giving a bread taste plus the taste of the mutton and the chicken and the beef. All of these platter, 65 dirhams. Bundoo Khans. My name is Faiz Khan. This is Bundoo Khan. Bundoo means friend. Friend in Hindi language. So friend Khan, your friend is here, man. I feel so sorted right now. For my hunger, I came to the right place. I think I'm getting full. We finished almost all of it, but whatever is left, we will do a takeaway.
No wasting food.
Absolutely no wasting food. Never. बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत मजा आया, है ना? Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. You enjoyed the food, baby?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So it was amazing, man, amazing. I feel so good, and the stomach also doesn't come out because it's all kebab. And that's your favorite. I'm glad I took her to a food which is her favorite. Time to go home. See you guys in the next video.